Let's fix the Instagram music problem on Story, Post, or Reels. Now, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and you'll be able to see if I just take a quick photo and I open up music, it won't show me all of the songs. If I type in Drake, for instance, it doesn't show up with Drake on this list. The reason for that is the type of account that you have. So let's change that account. Let's just hop out of here, completely close out of here. And now from here, we're going to get to your settings. So tap on those three lines at the top right to get to your settings. And within here, if you're having that issue, most likely you see for professionals and the business tools and controls. So let's tap on that. And instead of a business account, we need to switch the account type to personal. After you've gone through the process of switching to personal, I'll show you that it works. Let's go all the way back. We can tap on plus again. And let's say, in this case, I'm going to upload a reel from this video. After I've done that, I can tap on the music icon. And now if I search for Drake, you'll be able to see Drake pops up with all of those songs. And now I have access to all of the Instagram music.